From Maharashtra, we've got a news break coming in from Karnataka now. The Enforcement Directorate's probe into the Muda scam, which has implicated incumbent Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. We've accessed some of those details. India Today's Divyesh Singh has scooped details from that ED investigation. The Muda heat of the scam is mounting on Siddaramaiah. The Enforcement Directorate investigation details accessed by India Today's Divyesh Singh say the land allotment is in clear violation of guidelines and that land worth 700 crore rupees was illegally allotted. It also goes on to say alarmingly that dummy allotments were made to generate cash. Let's get in India Today's Divyesh Singh breaking this big story first and exclusive as always here on India Today. Divyesh, the details in this investigation that you've accessed are very, very specific. Allotment in lieu of cars and cash, 700 crores, illegal allotment, dummy allotments. This sounds much more serious than initially imagined.
Well, Shiv, last month the Enforcement Directorate had conducted searches on former commissioners of Muda, and now, as per sources, the information that we have received, that illegal allotments were made in lieu of benefits like luxury cars, cash, immovable properties by former Commissioner GT Dinesh Kumar, who is the former commissioner of Muda. Most of these allotments made during his tenure have been allotted to Benami assets, dummy persons, and this was done to generate unaccounted cash. So these are some of the details that we've accessed, and it clearly said that the allotments done for 1,095 such properties or such allotments have been done completely in contravention of the guidelines. They have been illegally allotted. These have been done to generate cash. Most of the allotments are done to persons connected to some influential persons who could be businessmen, who could be builders, and some more influential person. That is what the information highlights. And this has been shared with top officials from the Loka Ayukta's office. Enforcement Directorate is continuing the investigation, but these are some of the findings which have come to light as of now. Shiv.
Okay, Divyesh, keep tracking that story. We will expand and bring in more details to our viewers. You can see that full digital story on India Today's website, which we will be updating as we get a reaction from the Congress party and the government in Karnataka as well.